Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that ARK DFAI token. Now before start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, ARK is a next generation DFAI decentralized finance XAI protocol designed to build a self-sustaining modular economic system governed by intelligence algorithms and DAO consensus by integrating programmable monetary modules with AI-driven decision making. ARK aims to establish a transparent, stable, and scalable digital economy, one that operates beyond human discretion, powered by entirely by logic, data, and code. ARK ARK DFAI token total supply is not showing yet, and circulating supply is around 2.53 million ARK token. ARK token is listed on xt.com and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project only 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.